viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to discuss about security of our Binance Smart Chain wallet. Yes, if you want to more secure your Binance wallet, so this video is going to very informative for you, because in this video I'm giving you information how to auto lock your Binance Smart Chain in your desired time. Yes, let's suppose you have opened your account and you are using your account, and sometime by mistake you forget still open your account and you shut down your laptop. So how can you auto lock your account within a time which is you have selected in your Binance Smart Chain setting wallet? So please must watch this video till end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. First of all, going to open my Binance Smart Chain wallets, and today we are going to discuss about auto lock setting. You can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and I need to put here the password. I have apply auto lock setting on my this wallet. Let's suppose I have selected a 5-minute. If I not work on this wallet in a 5 minute, after 5 minutes my wallet will be automatically locked. So you must apply this setting on your wallet if you want to save your account. Sometimes you use your wallet and you leave your laptop, and your family member or your friends can be use your account without your permission. So if you apply auto lock setting, then your account will be automatically locked. So simple, click on the password option and going to enter my password here. Click on unlock. When you click on unlock, you can see here the main interface is open in front of you of your Binance Smart Chain wallet. And let's suppose you are using this wallet, and after 2 minutes you do nothing on this wallet, so your wallet will be automatically locked. So how can you set the setting? Simple, go to the click on profile area. You can see here there is the profile area. After that the fourth option is that setting. Simple, go to the click on settings. Now the fifth option is security and privacy. Security and privacy, I already told you about how you save your account with auto lock setting. So if you need to apply, so simple, go to the click on security and privacy option. Now viewers, you can see here set the idle time in minute before Binance wallet is locked. Okay, you can select auto lock timer from this option. You can see here 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 6 hours, and never. Let's suppose I will use my wallet in a 1 minute, so I will select in a 1 minute. After 1 minute my wallet will be automatically locked, and when I want to again use my wallet, so I must need to enter my password. So this setting is very necessary for you if you want to save your account for unauthorized activity on your wallet. So I have select 1 minute. You can also select 5 minutes. It's depend on you. By default I think the selection is 5 minutes, but you can select 1 minute or 30 minutes. I recommend it to you minimum select 1 minute, because if you are using your wallet, so I think you make the transaction in a 1 minute. So I think the 1 minute is recommended to you. You select 1 minute and then go to the back button. After 1 minute your wallet will be logged, and when you want to again use your wallet, so you must need to your password. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you more secure your wallet with auto lock setting. So you must apply at your account. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowallsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.